So I'm at a standstill with most of my projects. I need electronics in order to motorize some helmets, and then I need to get paint, and I need to sand some other ones. But I don't have any filler primer. But hey, I got some progress done on the Gauntlet. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is episode 2 of the Iron Man Gauntlet build. I've gotten some work done. The hand is fully sanded and painted, and everything's done sanded and primed. So I'm going to show you how I did all this, the process. So let's go straight to do that. Okay, now I'm gonna go and wet sand the Gauntlet. I'm going from 150 all the way down to 320. Meet you back here when I'm done sanding it. Here we go. All the pieces have been wet sanded now. They're looking really nice. I didn't worry too much about the details, as you can still see the layer line. Whoa, wait. Stop the video. Do you really want to sit there and watch these awful videos I made? I have a better idea. I'll explain the process I did, and then if needed, I'll pop little videos from there on the screen. Okay, sound good? Let's get right into it. So, the first thing I did is I went and I sanded. I sanded just dry sand, and then I went and I primed it and I wet sanded it where I left off, highest grit. If you want, you can get even higher grits to do with the wet sanding to make it even smoother. I didn't. My process works. I go from like 150 all the way up to 320, and that seems to work just fine. And then I did another coat primer, wet sanded it again. It's super smooth. I love how smooth it is. And then with the hand, I went and I painted it. This is the white that I'm using for the whole Gauntlet. It is probably not the white I'm going to use for the helmet, but it's still white. So I painted it. The fingers came out so nice. They're like so smooth. These ones didn't even get any primer. I just wet sanded them and they were done. But the hand is a low poly file, so it needed a lot more work, and it's still not perfect. You can still see that it's not smooth. And then I instantly, a few hours after I painted and clear coated it, I went and hot glued elastic bands in the fingers in order to have them attached. And I didn't let it cure because I did it too soon, so there are marks all up on the hand, and it's gonna light up. It's still gonna be cool. It's just a simple project. But then for inside the Gauntlet, I have this little white I think it's a cut resistant glove. It came with some project kit, and I just kept it because it's white and it works in the glove. So just one second. There we go. Now we have the glove on. And then we put the actual glove on. And then it works pretty well. Obviously, the white doesn't match up quite right because the spray paint I used, I'll put a picture on the screen. Magic. It's kind of a yellowish white, which is why I'll be using a different white for the helmet, because it's not quite the right white. That's why you can see the glove. It sticks out a lot more, but still works, and it's looking great. So everything is sanded. Everything is ready for paint. But I thought, since, hey, I have progress, I'll just make a part 2, and then the next video will be about actually painting it. So we'll talk more about paint in the next video. But everything came out pretty smooth. There's still some problems with the hexagons, but this is I'm going to use a dark paint for it, so it's going to be hidden a lot. So I'm not going to go and sand it even more to try and get all the imperfections out, because you're not even really going to notice it. If you were with me and I was wearing the gauntlet, you wouldn't be able to tell unless you were this close to the gauntlet. And if someone's this close to your hand, smack them. Okay? You don't need to be that close to people's hands. Okay. So that's basically it. It's all sanded, it's smoothed. The filler primer I used is Duplicolor red filler primer. I'll leave a link for that in the description, along with the files for these. And a file for, no, not a file. I'll leave a link for gloves that you can use in your gauntlet, just to fill in the gaps. But yeah, that's basically it. It's all sanded, it's smooth, it's ready for paint. Next video will be about what paint I use, how to mask parts off, and just finishing painting. And then we'll go into adding the electronics and the repulsor and all that stuff. So yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave a comment down below. I try my best to answer all of them, best to my knowledge. And also, just another reminder, I have a Discord, so if you have any questions about this, you go talk to me on Discord. I try to help people there, and so if you have problems, you can go talk to me there, and I can help you with them. So yeah, thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in part 2.